everybody, we noticed that everyone seemed to like our sweet and spicy wing video. So today we're gonna kick it up a notch. We're gonna do smoked wings. So, welcome to Skillet Just Cooking. Let's get cooking. All right, here we have it, our kicked up wings. Smoked, brined in buttermilk. They look great, smell fantastic. Last thing to do is give it a taste. So, let's go. It is so good. So juicy. I'm sorry. I'm having a religious experience here right now. But that's a good wing. Oh, you got it. If you never tried smoking wings in the past, definitely give it a shot. It's so easy. Brine it for an hour as if you're about to fry them or roast them anyways, or overnight. And then smoke them 250, 275 for about an hour until it gets about 165. Can't go wrong. All right, we got some of our fried garlic and onion ranch dressing in here, so you know I gotta give that a try too. Oh wow. Yep. All right, you guys gotta give this a try. And I mean it. I hate keep saying that, but wow. Okay. I got a lot of wings to eat now. So, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you next time. Adios.